Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your image on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the sticker option next to the text button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find the different stickers and just select one. Select one and you can edit the size and the rotation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.